how to reactivate your Twitter account. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. First of all, go to Google Chrome. As you go to Google Chrome, then you have to go on this up above option, and right over here, reactivate your Twitter account. Go to reactivate your Twitter account option, and over here click on how to reactivate your Twitter account. Now it will tell you that if you are working within the 30 days of your deactivation, that you can automatically reactivate your account, and you have to go help with your account reactivation. Now you have to go to twitter.com within the 30 days of your reactivation, and over here, as my account is now reactivated, if your account is deactivated, then you have to put in your login and password, and it will reactivate your account. This is how you can reactivate your Twitter account. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.